Imagine walking into your IELTS speaking test with confidence, ready to impress the examiner with colourful expressions. Hey, sweet learners! Welcome to our video on mastering idioms for the IELTS speaking test. Using idioms can make your speech more engaging and help you stand out. Today, we'll explore some essential idioms that can elevate your responses and boost your score. In our video, we will learn some idioms for expressing opinions, likes and dislikes, confusion, and evaluating things or people, in addition to some useful idioms for different IELTS speaking topics. Let's dive in. First of all, expressing opinions. Our idiom is speak your mind. It means to say what you really think. Example, don't be afraid to speak your mind during the meeting. Our second idiom is in my book. It means according to my opinion. Example, in my book, honesty is the most important quality. Our third idiom is I'm on the fence. It means being undecided about an issue. Example, when choosing between a beach or mountain vacation, you might say, I'm on the fence, I like both. Moving on to number 2, talking about likes and dislikes, and our idiom is have a soft spot for. It means to like someone or something a lot. Example, I have a soft spot for classical music. The second idiom is it's the bee's knees. It means something is excellent or of very high quality. Example, after trying a new coffee shop, you might say, their espresso is the bee's knees. The third idiom is not my cup of tea means something you don't like. Example, horror movies are not my cup of tea. Moving on to number 3, expressing confusion, and our idiom is lost in the sauce. Means confused or overwhelmed. Example, I was lost in the sauce during the complex presentation. The second idiom is baffled, means completely confused. Example, I was baffled by the professor's explanation. The third idiom is can't make heads or tails of it. It means that you are unable to understand something or find it confusing. Example, after reading a complicated report, you might say, I can't make heads or tails of it. It makes no sense to me. Let's move to number 4, saying if things or people are good, normal, or bad, and our first idiom is a blessing in disguise. And it means something good that isn't recognized at first. Example, losing that job was a blessing in disguise. The second idiom is a cut above the rest. Means someone or something is superior or of higher quality compared to others. Example, the restaurant is a cut above the rest. Their service and food are exceptional. The third idiom is run of the mill. It means ordinary or average. Example, the restaurant was pretty run of the mill, nothing special. The fourth idiom is go downhill. Means to get worse. Example, after the new manager came in, things started to go downhill. Great work, learner! Now I'll provide you with some useful idioms for different IELTS speaking topics, along with their meanings and example sentences. The first topic is education. Our idiom is hit the books. Means to study hard. Example, with exams approaching, I need to hit the books every night. Number 2, work, and our idiom is burn the midnight oil. It means to work late into the night. Example, I had to burn the midnight oil to finish the project on time. Number 3, environment, and our idiom is the tip of the iceberg. It means a small part of a larger problem. Example, the melting ice caps are just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to climate change. Number 4, health, and our idiom is under the weather. It means feeling ill. Example, I've been feeling under the weather, so I'll stay home today. Number 5, technology, and our idiom is ahead of the curve. Means being more advanced than others. Example, our company stays ahead of the curve by investing in the latest technology. Number 6, travel, and our idiom is hit the road, means to start a journey. Example, we decided to hit the road early to avoid traffic. Number 7, food, and our idiom is spill the beans. Means to reveal a secret. Example, I accidentally spilled the beans about the surprise party. Number 8, relationships, and our idiom is break the ice. It means to make people more comfortable. Example, playing a game is a great way to break the ice at parties. Number 9, hobbies, and our idiom is bite off more than you can chew, means to take on too much. Example, by volunteering for so many clubs, I bit off more than I could chew. Number 10, shopping, and our idiom is shop till you drop. Means to shop until you are exhausted. Example, we spent the entire day at the mall and shopped till we dropped. Great work, sweet learners! As you prepare for the IELTS speaking test, remember that practice makes perfect. Incorporate these idioms into your daily conversations to become more comfortable with them. Also, listen to native speakers to understand the context and usage better. With consistent practice and confidence, you'll be ready to ace your test. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell for more tips and tricks. Good luck, and thanks for watching.